My name is Cameron Long, and I'm applying for the role of a sports coach. This kind of role can entail a lead coach for different coaching companies, assisting in schools, and work alongside development officers. I have done my research into this area of work and I fully understand the requirements for this job role. The sporting world offers out endless opportunities, and coaching is a role that I have been interested in ever since I started playing sport at 8 years old. I am very lucky to have had 5 years worth of coaching experience. This is arranged to work with ages between 8 and 16, covering those of all ability ranges and needs. I also have had the pleasure of working with disabled athletes in the grassroots football teams. Getting these kinds of people included is what grassroots is all about. I've had experience in coaching football from under 8 to under 16s, coaching an under 11 cricket team, and also helped with the goalkeeper camp in 2014 for age 12 and under, meaning this experience I have gained has come from practice in the field. I have achieved a Level 1 FA coaching football badge, a Level 1 in coaching basketball, and a Level 1 in coaching cricket. Alongside this, taking part in a coaching disabled people in sports workshop and an emergency first aid workshop. With this, I have also achieved a Level 3 diploma in sport, seen a double distinction star, an FDSC in applied sports coaching development. I am currently studying the BA Honours degree in Sport and Education and have received a conditional offer to move on to the MSc in Sport and Exercise in Newcastle College. To further myself in the coaching world, I am looking to complete my Level 2 FA coaching badge, various Level 1 badges starting with multi-skills, renewing my DBS certificate, and also hopefully achieving the minimum 2-1 in all of my degree studies. Now, throughout my recent courses and experience whilst coaching others, I have managed to develop multiple skills that will help me within this job role. I have developed exceptional organisation skills, as a coach must always be organised before a session. This includes making sure all equipment is always on hand, making sure there is a clear session plan laid out, making sure they're always on time, making sure all participants enjoy themselves, as the coaching is about enjoyment and also improvement. I have also developed leadership skills, which help me deal with large groups. Keeping the groups under control and having their attention all the time is vital to delivering a successful session. I'm always making sure I make the most of the resources that Newcastle College provide me with. This means using tutors, academic coaches, and the library to constantly develop myself, taking any criticism they give me on board and using this to improve myself. I'm also able to develop development plans for each player depending on their ability level, in order for that individuals to constantly improve. I pride myself on making sure the participants not only improve, but get a sense of enjoyment out of the session. To develop my skills further, I'm looking to get in the workplace and to see what sort of role this is like in a professional setting, which means I could develop myself in a work setting in which I want to be in. However, I'm far from the finished article. I need to brush up my communication skills in terms of language I use, especially when working with younger children. Use my practical assignments to help me brush up this and become a lot more confident when communicating with people, the knowledge I have. I also have to work on my time management in terms of leaving enough time to plan a session, set myself a plan for example, give myself enough time to set up a plan and make myself a better coach overall. Now, personally, I believe working with amateur athletes of all ages is very rewarding, especially when you're able to help them improve at a skill they never thought they'd be able to do. Building rapport with a group of people and being able to develop these athletes is very enjoyable and something I love doing.